But on that note, time to get in some Charbuster ideas today. We have Naresh and Kunal joining us. Kunal, coming to you first. What's looking good on the charts? What's your Chartbuster idea for the day?
So, Sneh, I'll pick up a mid-cap name, and that's JSW Energy on the charts. And interestingly, the stock, like many of the other mid-cap names, went through a correction, where in this case, the correction lasted for almost 40% plus for JSW Energy. So this was the high the stock made in the month of September, which is closer to the 800 mark, 820 levels thereabouts. And the recent low was around the 400 levels for JSW Energy. Now, in the recent low which the stock has made, this is the divergence of the stock from the long-term averages. So, which means from 650 levels, the averages was closer to, the stock price was closer to 400, and there was a divergence of almost 250 points. That's close to 25 to 30% for the stock. Now, in the process of this stock consolidating, it's formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern, as you can see into the stock price, which means close to this 500 mark could be considered as good pivot support for JSW Energy, and expecting the stock to gradually move up higher. The first targets which I would be looking to eye on JSW Energy would be closer to 550 mark, which is a good 7-8% further from current levels for a short-term play.
All right, so looks attractive for a short-term play. That's JSW Energy. Naresh, coming to you, what's your Chartbuster idea for our viewers?
So that's a buy on MRPL. The stock rallied from 100 odd levels to 290 very quickly in 2024 and is now back to 110 odd levels in this fall. So a large correction done. Thursday, we saw the first volume uptick in a major way and a price taking up over the last 2-3 week high. So looks like a good entry point for a bounce back towards 135 to 150 in the short term. Stop loss to be kept at 115.
Naresh, while MRPL looks good on the charts, what are your stock-specific recommendations for today?
So first is the buy on Manappuram Finance. The gold finance companies look interesting post the gold move. We've seen Muthoot Finance come close to an all-time high. Manappuram also is setting up for a breakout. Stop loss at 200, target prices of 230. Second is a buy on Godrej Consumer, which could be a bounce back trade for the near term. Stop loss at 1030, target price of 1130.
Okay, and Kunal, what about you? What are your stock-specific recommendations?
So I'll go with two buy calls. The first one is buy on L&T Finance with a target of 148, stop loss at 137. And the second is buy on Bharat Forge, going for a contra buy with a short-term target closer to 1140, stop loss at 1020.
All right, so those are the ideas coming in from both of our charters, that is from Kunal as well as Naresh. As of March.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.